Today we are going to see about Transmission Control Protocol. It is one of the core protocols that form the foundation of the Internet and the other network communications. TCP is a reliable connection-oriented protocol that ensures the accurate and orderly delivery of data between devices on a network. It functions within the transport layer of the OSI model, working above the Internet protocol layer with which it's often paired. Together, they form the backbone of the most network communication refers to as TCP and IP. TCP is used in a variety of applications, including web browsing, email, file transports, and more, where the correct order and integrity of data are essential. One of the distinguishing features of TCP is it focuses on reliability. When data is sent over the internet, it is divided into smaller units known as the packet. TCP is responsible for ensuring these packets are delivered to the intended recipient in the same order in which they were sent, without errors and without any loss of packet. To achieve this, TCP employs a mechanism like checksum, acknowledgement, and retransmission. Each packet contains a unique sequence number, allowing the receiver to rearrange them if they arrive out of sequence. Upon receiving each packet, the recipient sends an acknowledgement back to the sender, confirming that it was received successfully. If the sender does not receive an acknowledgement within a certain time frame, it assumes that the packet were lost and retransmits it. This process is known as automatic repeat request and is a key to TCP's reliability. Another critical feature of TCP is flow control. This mechanism prevents a fast sender from overwhelming a slow receiver. TCP achieves this through a process called windowing, where the sender and the receiver negotiate the amount of data that can be sent before waiting for an acknowledgement. This ensures that the sender only sends data that the receiver is capable of processing at any given time. Congestion control is another important feature where it allows TCP to respond to network traffic conditions and adjust its transmission rate accordingly. By monitoring packets loss and round trip time, TCP can detect network congestion and reduce its transmission rate to help alleviate it, promoting a smoother and most efficient data flow across the network. TCP also establishes a connection before data transfer begins, known as a three-way handshake. In this process, the sender and the receiver exchange a series of control packets to confirm the both as a ready for transfer. The handshake starts with the sender transmitting a synchronized SYN packet to the receiver, who replies with an acknowledgement SYN ACK packet. Finally, the sender sends an acknowledgement ACK back, establishing a connection between the two devices. This three-way process is critical for ensuring that both devices are synchronized and ready to communicate, providing a solid foundation for reliable data transfer. TCP is widely used across various applications where reliable. Ordered data transmission is essential. Here are some of the key applications of TCP. Web browsing. When you visit a website, your browser uses a hypertext transfer protocol over TCP to request and retrieve web pages. The reliability of TCP ensures that all part of the web pages, the text, images, and the scripts arrives in the correct order. TCP adds a layer of encryption for security but still relies on TCP for reliable delivery. Next main application is email. Email protocols like SIMTP, IMAP, and POP3 uses TCP for dependable delivery. When you send an email, TCP ensures that your message is delivered in full and without errors. For retrieving emails, TCP makes sure that each part of the message and attachment arrives correctly, providing users with reliable and across to their emails. File transfer protocol is another major application of a TCP used for transferring large files between devices on a network. FTP relies on TCP to ensure that the file arrives without corruption and if there are any network issues during transfer. TCP's errors checking and retransmission capabilities helps in completing the transfer accurately. TCP is often used in peer-to-peer file sharing applications where users share files directly with each other through some P2P application. Make also uses UDP for fast transfer but less reliable transfer. TCP is preferred when data accuracy and order matters. Many databases such as MySQL and SQL Server uses TCP for communication between the clients and the database servers. TCP ensures that the commands, queries, and data updates are reliably executed. Overall, TCP is integral to modern communication as it facilitates accurate and reliable data exchange across device and complex networks. It emphasizes on reliability, error checking, flow control, and congestion control, makes it suitable for application where data integrity and sequential delivery are crucial. Despite being more resource intensive, these are other protocols such as UDP, TCP dependably has made it an essential part of an internet infrastructure, supporting the seamless functioning of web application, email system, and file transfer that users rely on daily. Thank you.